everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joy. Today I'm gonna show you how you can fight acne, open pores, remove blackheads on your face. So I'm gonna use a Colgate toothpaste. So I'm gonna just need my bowl and a small amount of toothpaste. Please don't use gel toothpaste. Always make sure you use a white toothpaste. So I'm gonna use my tomato. So tomato it will help to fight acne. It will remove black hair. It will cut off oil. If you have a oily skin, it's gonna remove oily skin from it. And tomato is very good for the skin. It will help to brighten your skin, and it will help to shrink any pores that you have on your face. So I'm gonna blend the tomato. I'm just gonna grate it. So I have finished grating the tomatoes. So the next ingredient will be vitamin E oil. So I'm gonna use vitamin E oil. So I'm gonna use 2 capsules. I'm gonna just press it in. So I'm gonna mix it together. If you have pimples, acne, this treatment it's able to remove them. You use this on pimples, it is perfect. You will not have pimples again after using this treatment. If you have open pores, this treatment is perfect. So you mix it together. Whatever acne you have, just apply this treatment. It is effective. It is super effective. This is 100% effective. Just apply these on your face, on acne, on pimples, blackheads. It's going to remove everything on your face by using these ingredients. So I'm going to show you how to apply this. So guys, this is the treatment. So I'm going to use my makeup brush. Whatever tools you have, you can use your toothbrush, you can use your hand to apply it. So I'm just going to apply it now on my face. So this is the best treatment to clear your skin, to have a glowing skin, a flawless skin. So this treatment is very effective. So I'm just going to wait for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm just going to wash it off immediately. So you don't wait too long because of the toothpaste. So I'm going to just wait 2 minutes, then I'm going to wash it off. So this is the best treatment to clear your skin, to remove pimples, to remove acne on your face. It is perfect to remove. It is 100% effective. If you've not tried tomato toothpaste and vitamin E oil, please try it and leave a comment below and tell me what you think. After applying this, you start seeing that those stubborn pimples has been disappeared. It will not be there anymore. Just try this and let me know what you think. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. I hope you find this video helpful and useful. So subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you will not miss any of my video. I upload video on this channel almost every day. So share this video with your loved ones and with your family. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.